A lot of you seem to really enjoy my keto-friendly cream cheese frosting that was so easy to make. So today I'm going to make an easy to make, sugar-free, 3-ingredient chocolate frosting. The first thing you want to do is take your softened salted butter and put it into your mixer. Next, we're going to grab our powdered monk fruit sweetener. Make sure it is powdered. You do not want to use granular in this recipe because we want this recipe to be nice and fluffy, like a cloud on a beautiful summer's day. A brown cloud. Anyway, so what you're gonna do is take your powdered monk fruit sweetener, grab a sifter, and you're gonna sift it because we don't want it to be kind of clumpy because that would not make for pillowy, fluffy, cloud-like chocolate frosting. Next, you're gonna grab your cacao powder. Today I'm using unsweetened Hershey. You can use whatever brand you like. This is just my favorite. So let's go ahead and add that into our mixer, and we are also going to sift this one because it can get a little clumpy. Now we're going to mix this all up on a medium speed, and then we're going to slowly turn it up to a high speed to really get some air into it. Woo! I made a mess. I made a big mess. Next, you're going to add just a little bit of water. This is gonna thin out this recipe just a little bit so it can really fluff up and become an airy frosting. Now, you can use heavy cream if you wish, if you wanna add a little bit more flavor, or you can also use a nut milk if you have it. But this is a 3-ingredient recipe, so we're gonna keep it to 3 ingredients, and technically water isn't really an ingredient. So add that in there. Let's give it a good mix through just to make sure we get all those sides. Sometimes ingredients can be really pushed up to the side in the mixing process, so it's important in between to just kind of mix the sides so it's all evenly incorporated. Wow, we are done, and this looks amazing. It looks so fluffy and creamy. I cannot wait to frost my cupcakes with these. It is gonna taste so good. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like this video, comment on this video if you have any future video suggestions for me, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos just like this one. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. See you later.